Welcome to the Neilson Park Creative Centre's Summer Camp Concert. We are the Neilson Squad, bucket drumming and body percussion group, and we are going to begin today's concert by playing 3 different sticking patterns on 3 different parts of the bucket. Okay, so here we go. So we're playing singles in the center of the bucket. Ready, go. Excellent start to the concert. Now it's time for our bucket drumming song called The Warm Up. Alright? So, let's get our sticks ready to go. And here we go. Ready, go! Please place your sticks in your buckets because it is body percussion time. And now we are going to get set up here. So it's time for Pass It On. Okay, with all the moves, all the choreography, the jumping up, all the good stuff, and just having lots of bucket drumming, body percussion fun. Okay, here we go. And we're going to stand up. No, actually, we'll sit down for this one. We'll stay seated. Okay, here we go. I've got a beat, pass it on, pass it on. I've got a beat, pass it on. I've got a beat, pass it on, pass it on. I've got a beat, pass it on. This beat is bouncy like a basketball. Make you jump up 10 feet tall. I've got a beat, pass it on, pass it on. I've got a beat, pass it on. I've got a beat, pass it on, pass it on. I've got a beat, pass it on. This beat is stuck in my ear. In the pass it on, pass it on. I've got a beat, pass it on. This beat is contagious, crazy and outrageous. I'm passing it to you because it makes you feel courageous. Pass, pass, pass it on. Pass, pass, pass it on. All right, excellent, excellent. Now it's time for a big bow. So just stand in front of your chairs, please, and we'll all face that way. And a nice big bow, curtsy.
Hey, everybody stand, please.
No.
Please stand.
No. Sebastian, stand up.
Thank you.
Okay,